Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you basically how to register a domain name and paying with the MTN Momo virtual Mastercard, which I thought you guys would find interesting because you basically don't need a physical card from any of the banks available if you have mobile money in Uganda, and that means that it saves you lots, including queuing up and or struggling to get the card, asking you for this and that document. So once you generate the Momo card, which I already shared in one of the videos here, I think up here, I'm going to link up the video on how to create the MTN Momo card and how you can use it to transact online. So this is the very first video showing you how to actually use your Momo card to transact online. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name. To start off, I register my domains using Namecheap and Bluehost, so I'll put links down in the description. Once you choose which domain provider you're going to use, it can be Namecheap, Bluehost, or any other. Then you have to sign in into your account. So I'll sign into the account. Head over to domains. I search for the new domain I want to register. Then I'll come over here. So I already made up my mind which domain I have to register for purposes of testing this Momo card and showing you around. After you search up for the domain you want to purchase, if it's available, then you say add to cart, just like you can do with any other e-commerce sites. So you add to cart, then you view the cart, and then you get a total amount of money you are going to pay for this service. It can be a shoe on Amazon, it can be on Jumia or anywhere else. So I can say confirm order, and once I say confirm order, then I have to select a payment method. So I can say payment details, change payment details, and by changing payment details I'll use a secure card, or I'll select secure card in this. So I'll say edit card, or I'll say new card, and then I'll bring up my card details that I already generated in the new Momo card. So I'll just paste it here. 19 CVV was 099 099, and then I can leave the default contacts there. Then I can put up here my names which are registered under my MTN line. I can fill in this just real quick so that I don't have issues of what other things are required. So I can say continue. Once that is done, after the card being added, I will now say pay. Now they have chopped off the amount I wanted to spend for this domain, and good. It looks like all is fine. I've received a notification from my MTN mobile money and telling me how much I have spent. At the same time, here it shows me the payment summary of what I've purchased and how much money I've spent. Also receiving a notification from MTN, which I'll show in the screenshot. I'll share in the video. And yes, after making the purchase, your service provider, in most cases, they send you an email confirming your purchase, which I have received, and it's here. The most interesting thing is that we were using our MTN Momocard. And hey, if you would like to find an article about how to create the MTN Momocard, I already wrote that. At the same time, detail how to purchase, how to use this Momocard online. So you can look it up by searching MTN Momocard and you'll see the article there. Guys, I hope this video brings you a ton of value and that now you can use your MTN virtual Mastercard to make transactions online. I wish you a good time. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.